Come test drive the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.